be back. You and me. You and me. Hi guys, so today's video is on this gorgeous Crystal Hearts Deja Vu Eye and Cheek palette. I was not expecting this, and when they sent it over I was very excited. I have used a couple of their liquid lipsticks before and their glacier water remover, which I use in all of my lip swatching videos. So anyways, the outside of the palette is very luxurious. It has like a faux snakeskin texture. I don't know if you guys can see it. So here is the inside. As you can see, it does have a very large, nice mirror. It's kind of dirty because I got smudgy little fingers. Here is the inside. There are 4 face powders. I think that these are meant to be like transition shades. I use this as a bronzer, and I use this as kind of like a highlighter, and I used it to set my cream concealer. I use this Crystal Moonlight as a highlighter. I don't really know what it is, but it's right here on my nose. You can see it highlights a little. And then this blush is so gorgeous. I think this is like the stunner from this whole palette, because as you can see, I do have a little bit of blush happening, but it also gave me a nice, like, I don't want to say like orangey, but there's like a golden orangey glow in there too, and it's really nice. So then there are the 10 eyeshadows, 5 mattes, and 5 shimmers. I just really like the way that this palette is set up. I love it when they do the mattes with the shimmers that it would go with. I think for beginners it's just set up really nicely and really easily. All of these go really nicely together. I have used Black Diamond and this gorgeous blue shimmer in an eye look that I haven't filmed. This is so nice, and the same for Sage. I kind of use these two together. I use this to highlight this blue. They are absolutely gorgeous. These colors are just so good. They're so good. I think this is a super fall palette, but I think I kind of stay in that genre with makeup. I have to try to get out of there. I love this palette. I'm really blown away by how good the formula is. I think that this is kind of like my favorite matte formula that's soft, easy to blend. A lot of fallout, sure, but anyways guys, this retails for $38. It is on their website. I will have it linked below. They did send me 2 of their new liquid lipstick colors as well. I love their liquid lipsticks. They're so good. I have done a video on them before, as well as with using their glacier water, which I love. This is Carmine Deep Red. Ooh, this one is so pink. Carissa. Dang, look how bright that is. So just really quickly about their formula, if you haven't seen the video that I originally done, their formula is nice and light. It is a little bit more liquidy, a little moussey, stays well, super good. Not super opaque with some of these colors, but definitely buildable. I absolutely love them. They, like I said, stay put all day long, don't feel dry, don't feel cakey, nothing like that. I'm going to get onto the tutorial part of this video where I did this eye look. If you guys like it, please just let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Crystal Hearts Cosmetics. Alright, so I'm starting off using a little bit of this ColourPop concealer to clean up underneath of my brows and prime for my lids. It just started raining, so if you hear that, I'm very sorry. I'm going to take my sponge over there just so that everybody is even. I'm going to start off by taking a little bit of Silk. This is matte. This is one of the face colors. It's just a cream color. And I'm going to take that above the crease just to set the concealer. As you can see, it does have a slight like yellow color to it. Next, I'm going to be taking Dorado. This is such a pretty color. I'm taking this right above the crease, and I'm just going to be blending it up towards the brow bone. These eyeshadows are so soft and just blend so easily. I am going to be kind of using this color to shape out what I want to do with my eye. Going all the way to the inner corner, like I said, right above the crease. I'm going to take some more of silk towards the brow bone area just to help blend everything out. Alright, now I'm taking burgundy on this extremely dirty brush. Don't mind me, I just don't have any time to clean my brushes. And I'm going to take this into the outer corner pretty heavily. Don't worry about getting it messy like that. As you can see, there is a lot of fallout, but like I said, these are very soft shadows. And I'm blending that into the crease as well. And towards the inner corner. Please ignore all of my eyebrow forest right here. But going back in with Dorado just to blend that out. I want the outer V to be where this burgundy shade is the darkest. I'm going to take a little bit of Jet Knot on that same brush and add some burgundy. I really want to darken up that outer V. Going back in with Dorado. Alright, I'm going to take a little bit of concealer on my inner corner area again. And I'm going to use that to cut the crease. Why do I sound so bored when I say that? Cut that crease. So first I'm going to take this garnet shade, I don't know how to say anything ever, and I'm going to pack that on closest to that outer V. And then I'm going to take some smoked topaz, and I'm going to put that on the rest of my eyelid. Alright, I'm going to clean up under here just because I've kind of lost my shape with all this mess. Alright, so I'm going to take this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Eyeliner in the shade Midnight Cowboy. And I'm going to just do a little line right here in my inner corner. And I'm going to kind of stop midway. Literally, if I had that in every single shade, it would not be enough. I love this stuff so much, and this is the only one I have, so I don't even know what I'm doing with it. That's it for the eyeshadow. I'm just going to do some eyeliner and some lashes, and that's the boring stuff, and my face, and I'll come back and use these face powders with you guys. Alright, so I've almost finished my face. I wanted to move on to the face powders in here, if I can find a clean brush. Alright, so I'm going to go into satin. I think that I'm going to use this as a bronzer. It is just so slight. I think it would be perfect for lighter skin tones. I don't know if you can see a big difference, but it is just very slightly, I don't know, I kind of like it. I don't know if you guys can see a difference, but it is just very, very slight. I think this is probably meant to be a setting powder for darker skin. I really like it though. Kind of perfect for any lighter skin tone. Alright, so then there's Crystal Rose, which to me is almost like a highlighter, I'm going to say. I don't really know. Is it highlighter? This is a highlighter. It's not like glow in the dark highlighty, but it is pretty. I'm going to go into Light Rose. This does have some shimmer to it. It is pretty pink. I'm just going to go in very slightly. I can tell it's super pigmented. And it almost has like an orangey champagne hue to it. It's really pretty. Going super lightly. Woohoo! I really like that. You can actually see that it's highlighting as well. Nice and buildable, even though it is super, super bright and pigmented. It's nice and easy to build up. I'm just applying it very lightly. Lastly, I'm going to take some of Silk, which I've used to set my eyelids many times. It's just a yellow tone cream color. It is very nice. I am going to use this in the middle of my face, all the highlighty areas. Just to add some brightness, and then alright, I'm going to finish my under eyes and I have some cleaning up to do, and then I'll be back. Alright, I'm going to finish off this eye with you guys. As you can see, I did this under eye and it looks so much bigger than this one once everything is done. I am going to take Burgundy. If my camera would focus, that would be so great. And I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line. And of course, full out is gonna. And then I'm just gonna take some more Dorado. And I'm going to just kind of blend out Burgundy. And I'm not going all the way into my inner corner. Just like my eye shape, I just think that if I go all the way in and smoke it all out, that it makes my eyes look a lot smaller. I'm going to go into the face powders and take Crystal Moonlight. And I'm just going to highlight right on my brow bone. And in my inner corner. I'm going to finish off with some mascara. This is from Gorgeous Cosmetics. Alright, and that is it for the eyeshadow look.